Hey YouTube, this is DIY with Donna, and I am working in collaboration with my husband Will on how to replace a panel on the garage door.
First thing we did was use the oscillating tool.
What tool is it?
Oscillating tool. Use that to get the quarter rounds out.
And the next thing we did, of course, was remove the panel and use that old panel to size the new panel. So she used a material such as Luan type.
Looks like a perfect fit.
Prime the wood with paint and put it back in place. Then I use caulking around the perimeter of the wood to seal it from, of course, water or rain. And then I sealed it, put the quarter rounds back in place, and then, of course, let that dry, and then paint it.
I primed the panel for the garage door. I just put this white primer on. The quarter round border pieces to hold the panel in. So I put caulking on there, kind of seal it up. So I'm just going to press it into place. You can also add little U-nails in here to hold it in secure.